Praise God, everyone. We do thank God for the blessings that He's giving to our lives, for giving us another chance since January. Now we are in December, and we are hoping that He will still give us another grace next year. So somebody was asking me about the ministry and the how it operates and how the servants of God operates. So today I want us to just briefly tell someone about the ministry and how it operates. So we have the fivefold ministry, whereby we have the apostles. The apostles, they are servants of God under the fivefold ministry who wanga wanatembea, they go, they build churches. You can read more about the apostles. You can read more about the apostles and their work and how they need to do in the book of Acts 13 verse number 2. You will get to know better about the apostles. Now from the apostles we have the teachers. We have the teachers of the word. The teachers of the word, they are also under the fivefold ministries, whereby these teachers of the word, they can even teach for 3 hours, but you will not even sleep. We can have a good example of Archbishop Harrison Nganga is a teacher of the word. Whenever he teaches, it comes naturally. Then number 3, we have the pastors. The pastors are like parents. These are people, these are servants of God, who their work is like they are taking care of the flock. They are the shepherd. They can pastor you. They are your parents. When you feel anything, you can go back. You can go to them, and they will feel you. They will also cover some mistakes because they are pastoring you. They are your parents. They cannot just disclose things which are affecting you. Then we have number 4. Number 4. These are evangelists. Evangelists, we normally call them. They normally go to spread the word through crusades. They spread the word. They bring people to church. They are people who tell people the reality, or they tell people the reality, how things really are. They don't hide anything. They just tell you the reality. If you are doing sin, they will just confront you and tell you you are doing something that does not please God. And then number 5, to sum up this, we have the prophets, who are also called the seers. These are people that God uses them prophetically. They can dream of something and tell you the message from the Lord. They can also see things in vision and tell you. So these are the fivefold ministries under how God normally uses His people. Be blessed.